Question number 3 is an AO3 question, and this question is from the topic of mass changes when a reactant or a product is a gas. Some students investigated the thermal decomposition of metal carbonates. The word equation is given here. Metal carbonate, it decomposes into metal oxide and carbon dioxide. I just gave an example of calcium carbonate. On heating, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The student made the following hypothesis: when heated, the same mass of any metal carbonate produces the same mass of carbon dioxide. The student heated a test tube containing copper carbonate. Table number 1 shows the results. The time the test tube containing copper carbonate was heated in minutes: 0 minutes, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, and 6 minutes. The mass of test tube and contents in grams. The initial mass along with the test tube is 17.7 grams. After 2 minutes, the mass is 17.1 grams. After 4 minutes, 17 grams. After 6 minutes, still 17 grams. Students want to check the hypothesis. I gave an example. If we take sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, or copper carbonate equal quantity and we're going to heat them up to the same time, are they producing the same amount of carbon dioxide? Students want to check the hypothesis: when heated, the same mass of any metal carbonate produces the same mass of carbon dioxide. Plan a method the student could use to test the hypothesis. In this question, you don't need to give your own analysis because it is not the demand of the question. The student need to plan a method. The student doesn't need to make the other evaluations. You should show how the student used these results to test the hypothesis. You do not need to write about the safety precautions. We just need to mention the important steps to make the plan to test the hypothesis. Let's see the model answer. Number 1, weight the empty test tube. Number 2, add metal carbonate in the test tube and weight the test tube again, mean the test tube plus metal carbonate. Third step is heat the test tube for the given time, for 1 minute, for 2 minutes, or for 3 minutes, or for 4 minutes, for the fixed time, and allow it to cool down. Step number 4, weight the test tube having the metal oxide. We know that when metal carbonate is heated, it decomposes into metal oxide plus carbon dioxide. The difference in the weight, the mass of the test tube plus metal carbonate before heating, minus the mass of test tube plus metal oxide, that is going to give us the mass of carbon dioxide. We know that when metal carbonate is heated, we will get metal oxide plus carbon dioxide. Repeat the experiment with different metal carbonates with the same initial mass for the same time for heating to test the student's hypothesis. So in all these steps, we don't need to give our analysis. We just need to the steps involved in planning a method to test the hypothesis only.